And one of my concerns about my appearance is having a bright smile to convey my mood. To do that, you have to have healthy teeth. I researched the internet to find out the best electric toothbrush, and I found FOSOO Apex. It's quiet, and those sonic vibrations, they're the max, won't kill my wrist as I'm using it. And these are the features of the Apex electric toothbrush. It has 3 cleaning mode intensities for brushing your teeth. It has low, medium, and high, and the Apex electric toothbrush has 4 cleaning modes. It has clean, it has polish, it has white, and it has gum care. And each of these can be in either of the intensities for brushing your teeth. I'm going to press the button to get to the mode of clean, and I'm going to have it on low intensity. I put it under the sink and get it wet, and then I add my toothpaste. The Apex electric toothbrush feels so good in my hand. FOSOO is the first brand to make a zinc alloy electric toothbrush, and that means it's not plastic. It's much more durable than other electric toothbrushes. And because it's made out of this unique metal, it reduces the vibration of that handle as I'm brushing my teeth, so it's not going to make my hand numb, which is what the other toothbrushes did. The FOSOO Apex Sonic Toothbrush also is the quietest electric toothbrush made. I'm brushing my teeth and it's less than 50 decibels of noise. Other toothbrushes are so loud, so it's not going to disturb or wake your family if they're sleeping and you got to get up, brush your teeth, and go to work. And also the Apex Sonic Toothbrush lets me toggle through all those modes in different intensities, and only with a long press button does it actually turn on and start brushing, which makes sure that your toothpaste doesn't go fly across the room as you're trying to select the mode you want to be in. I like that feature. And now I'm going to change from cleaning to the white mode. And now I'm going to change it to the massage the gums mode. Doing that right now. That feels so good. And now I'm going to do the polish mode for the finish up. And as you can see, I was freely switching between the modes and intensity while I was brushing. It was so easy to change modes while the toothbrush was in my mouth. There's a memory function, so it'll retain my last cleaning mode in case I just want to get up and go and clean my teeth. And what a beautiful job the Apex Sonic Toothbrush by FOSOO does of brushing my teeth. Look at my smile here. It is white as snow. It's sparkling. The Apex Sonic electric toothbrush by FOSOO arrived to my house because I ordered it online. It comes in these beautiful boxes. It comes in white, light aqua blue green, and a pink. You can pick out the ones you like best. This is great for different family members. They can choose out their favorite color, and you can all have your own. I opened up the boxes, and this is how they came packed. They were all packed really well, so they wouldn't get damaged during shipping. It comes with 2 different brush heads for the toothbrush. One is a clean brush head. That's a really unique combination of round tip bristles and triangular shaped bristles. And that one removes plaque and surface stains and is designed for a superior clean. And the other, which is what I really like, is a sensitive brush head. And that features some ultra soft rounded end bristles. And that's really perfect for my sensitive teeth and my gums. And if you have sensitive gums, I'd suggest you start with that brush head. And it brushes the gum line better than any other electric toothbrush because of the 42,000 sonic vibrations. That's amazing. The most high power of any electric toothbrush. It has a charging port, so the first time you use it, you want to charge it. It's powered by a 2500 megahertz rechargeable lithium-ion battery. And once it's charged, it'll last 180 days on a single charge, which also makes it really travel friendly. You don't have to worry about charging on your trip. And I want to show you the tongue scraper on the back. They have thought to put this textured rubber on the back of it so you can scrape your tongue. What a great feature to brush your teeth and then scrape your tongue for your breath. I love that. Done, chum. And a little pat pat. So how do you like my smile? And the best thing about the Apex electric toothbrush is how it makes your teeth feel and look. So click the link below to get your Apex toothbrush by FOSOO. And there's an exclusive code in the description box to get your 20% off. Check that out too. It's fantastic. I love it. I'm so glad I've upgraded. I'm Rebecca Brand. Subscribe to my channel and ring the bell to get notified of my next video. And let's keep making great recipes in life. And today's recipe is for a beautiful, sparkling smile to let people know your inner self sparkles. See you next time. If you like this video, here's some more about oral health and also some good healthy recipes.